Meaning of disappointment.
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 Disappointment. Disappointment refers to a feeling of sadness and dissatisfaction arising from the non-fulfillment of expectations or hopes. It is a common emotion that is experienced by individuals when they feel let down by something or someone they had hoped would meet their needs or desires. Disappointment can have a negative impact on personal and professional relationships, as well as mental and emotional well-being. Coping with disappointment involves accepting it as a natural part of life and finding ways to move forward, such as seeking support from loved ones or focusing on new goals.